Assalamu alaikum viewers. I am Gohar Bloch Advocate and welcome back to my channel Know and Lead. Today I am going to talk about courts system of Pakistan. The judiciary of Pakistan, one of the major organs of state, is a hierarchical system which is categorized into two main classes of courts: the superior or higher judiciary and the subordinate or the lower judiciary. Let's first discuss the superior judiciary. Superior Judiciary consists of Supreme Court of Pakistan, the Federal Shariat Court, and five High Courts, with the Supreme Court at its apex. There is a High Court for each of four provinces as well as High Court for Islamabad Capital Territory. Azad Kashmir and Gilgit-Baltistan have separate court system. The subordinate judiciary is composed of civil and criminal district courts and several special courts, namely customs and excise courts, anti-narcotics courts, anti-terrorist courts, consumer protection courts, anti-corruption courts, banking courts, insurance courts, taxation courts, accountability courts, labor courts, juvenile courts, family courts, and guardian courts. Special tribunals and boards: Income Tax Tribunal, Board of Revenue, Foreign Exchange Appellate Board, Intellectual Property Tribunal, Labor Appellate Tribunal, Federal Service Tribunal. The criminal courts are created under Criminal Procedure Code 1898, whereas civil courts are established by West Pakistan Civil Courts Ordinance 1962. Also, there are revenue courts that functions under West Pakistan Land Revenue Act 1967. The Supreme Court of Pakistan is the highest appellate court of the country and is considered as the court of last resort, the final arbiter of the law and the constitution. Creation of Supreme Court. The Supreme Court was created under the Constitution of 1956. It succeeded the Federal Court established in 1948, which was successor to the Federal Court of India established in 1937. Original jurisdiction of Supreme Court. Under Article 184, Clause 1 of the Constitution of Islamic Republic of Pakistan, Supreme Court possesses exclusive original jurisdiction for the settlement of intergovernmental disputes between federal and provincial governments or provincial governments inter se. Under Article 184, Clause 3 of the Constitution, the Supreme Court also exercises original jurisdiction regarding the enforcement of fundamental rights if the case involves an issue of public importance. Under Article 185, Clause 2, the Supreme Court entertains appeals against judgments and orders of high courts in criminal cases tried in original or appellate capacity and having imposed death penalty or life imprisonment. Appellate jurisdiction of Supreme Court. Under Article 185, Clause 2 of Constitution, Supreme Court entertains appeals in civil cases when the value of the claim exceeds 50,000 rupees. Under Article 185, Clause 3 of the Constitution, appeals subject to grant of leave from High Court's judgment or decree. Advisory jurisdiction of Supreme Court. Supreme Court exercises advisory jurisdiction whereunder the President may obtain its opinion on the question of law. Under Article 187, Supreme Court issues directions and orders for doing complete justice in a pending case or similar. Under Article 188, Supreme Court can review its judgments or orders. Under Article 204, Supreme Court can punish for contempt of court. Under Article 212, Supreme Court also entertain appeals from administrative courts or tribunals. Under Article 203F, the Federal Shariat Appellate Bench of Supreme Court hears appeals from judgments or orders passed by Federal Shariat Court. Federal Shariat Court of Pakistan. The Federal Shariat Court was established in 1980 to analyze all Pakistani laws and decide if they conform to Islamic values as laid down in the Quran and Sunnah. If any law is found to be repugnant, the Federal Shariat Court notifies the concerned government, specifying the reasons for its decision. Composition of Federal Shariat Court. The Federal Shariat Court consists of Chief Justice and 8 Muslim judges appointed by the President of Pakistan on the advice of Judicial Committee of the Chief Justices of Supreme Court and Federal Shariat Court. Among 8 judges, 3 judges must be Islamic scholars or ulama well versed in Islamic law. Jurisdiction of Federal Shariat Court. Under Article 203D, Federal Shariat Court shall determine whether a provision of law is repugnant to the injunctions of Islam. Under Article 203DD, Federal Shariat Court has divisional jurisdiction in cases under Hudud laws. Under Article 203E, Federal Shariat Court can review its judgments or orders. Federal Shariat Court can punish for contempt of court. Also, Federal Shariat Court entertains appeals from judgments or orders of criminal courts trying Hudud cases. There are 5 high courts in Pakistan, 1 for Islamabad Capital Territory and 4 provincial high courts. High Court is the principal and highest court of the province. Lahore High Court. Lahore High Court was established as a high court on 21st March 1882. The principal seat is in Lahore, but there are benches in 3 other cities, Rawalpindi, Multan and Bahawalpur. Sindh High Court. Sindh High Court is the highest court of the province of Sindh. It was established in 1906. Its principal seat is in Karachi. The circuit benches are in Hyderabad, Sakhar and Larkana. Balochistan High Court. Balochistan High Court was established on 1st December 1976. It is situated at the provincial capital Quetta. Its circuit benches are at Sibbi and Turbat. Peshawar High Court. Peshawar High Court is the highest judicial institution of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. It is located in the provincial capital Peshawar. Its circuit benches are in Abbottabad, Mingora and Dera Ismail Khan. Jurisdiction of High Court. Original jurisdiction. Under Article 199, Clause 1 of the Constitution, High Court issues 5 writs, namely writ of mandamus, writ of prohibition, writ of certiorari, writ of habeas corpus, and writ of quo warranto. Under Article 199, Clause 2, High Court exercises its original jurisdiction for the enforcement of fundamental rights. Under Article 203, High Court has supervision and control on the subordinate courts. Under Article 204, High Court also exercises its jurisdiction for punishment for contempt of court. The Karachi bench of High Court of Sindh has original jurisdiction in civil cases of the value of rupees 15 million and above. The Islamabad High Court has original jurisdiction in civil cases of the value of rupees 100 million and above. Appellate jurisdiction of High Court. High Court entertains appeals against orders of lower district courts. High Court can entertain appeal under Section 100, review under Section 114, and revision under Section 115 of Civil Procedure Code. High Court also entertains appeals against acquittal under Section 417 of Criminal Procedure Code. High Court exercises its appellate jurisdiction against judgments, decrees, orders of tribunals under special laws. There is also an intra-court appeal at Lahore High Court, Sindh High Court and Islamabad High Court. Subordinate courts include District and Sessions Court, Courts of Civil Judges and Courts of Magistrates. Jurisdiction of District and Sessions Court. The original jurisdiction of District Judge is limited to rupees 15 million and in Islamabad Capital Territory to rupees 100 million. The District and Sessions Judges and additional District and Session Judges have jurisdiction to entertain appeals against judgments and orders of a civil judge under Section 96 CBC and other laws like rent laws, family laws, etc. These courts also entertain appeals against order under Section 104 of Civil Procedure Code. District and Sessions Courts have revision power under Section 115 of Civil Procedure Code. These courts have original jurisdiction in suits upon bills of exchange, hundis or promissory notes under Section 37 of CPC. Sessions Judge exercises jurisdiction in murder trials under Section 265A of Criminal Procedure Code and all other trials involving death penalty under Anti-Terrorist Act and Control of Narcotic Substances Act, etc. These courts do criminal trial under Hudud laws. These courts entertain appeals under Section 423 of Criminal Procedure Code. These courts also issues directions of nature of habeas corpus under Section 491 of Criminal Procedure Code as well as justice of peace under Section 22A and B of Criminal Procedure Code, revision under Section 435 of Criminal Procedure Code, and pre-arrest bail application under Section 498 of Criminal Procedure Code is also filed in Sessions Court. Jurisdiction of Civil Judge First Class. They tries all civil suits as there is no pecuniary limits on its jurisdiction. At Karachi, pecuniary jurisdiction of a civil judge first class is limited to rupees 15 million and at Islamabad limited to rupees 100 million. In certain jurisdictions, they also designated as rent controllers. In some jurisdictions, also designated as a family judge and a guardian judge. Civil judge second class. The pecuniary jurisdiction of a civil judge second class is up to rupees 500,000 in Punjab, rupees 50,000 in KPK, and rupees 15,000 in Balochistan. In certain jurisdictions, civil judge second class is deemed as rent controller, family court, and a guardian judge. Civil judge third class. The pecuniary jurisdiction of civil judge third class is rupees 100,000 in Punjab. Magistrate first class may pass punishment of imprisonment up to 3 years and fine up to 45,000, urge, daman and whipping. Magistrate second class may pass sentence of 1 year imprisonment and fine up to rupees 15,000. Magistrate third class may pass imprisonment up to 1 month and fine up to rupees 3,000. If you like this video, then do subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.